welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll show you how to make the perfect soy candle using EcoSoy's CB Advanced Soy Wax. I'm sure you couldn't care less about my dog, cat or personal life, so let's just get straight into the video. First, grab a bag or box of EcoSoy's CB Advanced Soy Wax. I use it in these 8 ounce or 260ml heat resistant glasses because that's what I've found works the best. The size of this glass is 9.5 centimeters in height and 6.5 centimeters in width. Clean the glasses with soapy water, dry off and place in a tray for later. Now grab a measuring jug, place it on some kitchen scales and don't forget to push tar. Measure out 770 grams of wax. Once melted, this will be the equivalent to 1 litre. I'm going to measure out 500 plus 270 grams to equal the 770 grams because my jug just won't fit the whole amount in one go. So when dividing the 1 litre by our 4 glasses, we have 250 mils per glass. Now measure out 6 tablespoons of vegetable-based stearic acid. Vegetable-based stearic acid gives you smoother and more even candle tops, helps fragrance oils stay fresh and compacted within the candle, gives a stronger scent throw, makes the candle harder and stronger, helps to prevent sweating, and also has a higher melting point than soy, so by adding it to your soy candles, they will burn for longer. Measure out 2 to 3 grams of UV stabilizer. This will prevent your candles from turning yellow. Some fragrances contain vanillin, which will make your candles turn yellow once exposed to sunlight. To measure out the fragrance, 100 ml to a litre will equal 10% strength. 90 ml will equal 9% strength. 80 ml 8% strength, and so on. I'll be making these candles at 10% strength, so that's 100 ml or 100 grams, but it's totally up to you on how strong you want your candles to smell. You'll also find that some fragrances are stronger than others. Now it's time to melt the wax, so fill up a pot half full with water. I have a double boiler wax melter in my garage, but for today's purposes, we'll just stick to a simple kitchen pot and jug setup to melt the wax. While the wax is slowly melting on a medium heat, let's start wicking up the glasses. I'm using ProWick's HTP 104s in a 20mm tab with some 20mm wick stickums. I made this candle wicking centering tool which makes the job a lot easier. To apply the wicks, take a pen and basically pull it apart like this. Thread your wick through, place your 20mm stickum at the end and start wicking your glasses. Take a popsicle stick and mark the end with a line at around 19 to 20mm like this. Have 4 neoprene drink insulator holders ready, and I'll show you why you're going to need these later on. Now fit your wick centering devices onto your candle wicks. Check on your wax and add in any that you couldn't get in before the first lot had melted. Make sure that you thoroughly stir the wax through. The wax temperature we are aiming for is 80 degrees Celsius. Sit your jug down on a towel and allow it to cool down to 65 degrees Celsius. Now stir in your fragrance for around 2 to 3 minutes. While that's sitting, grab a heat gun and heat up the outside of your glasses. Not the inside, because that will melt the wax of your wicks. Pop your glasses into the neoprene drink insulators. The reason for this is to stop the wax from cooling down too quickly. When the wax cools too quickly, it will not stick to the glass properly and will cause wet spots and adhesion issues that you normally see on clear glass candles. The temperature difference when using a neoprene drink insulator is around 8 degrees Celsius, so if you want your candles to stick to the glass, I'd recommend using one. Using the flat edge popsicle stick we measured out before, set the height of the glasses to the edge of the drink insulators as shown. Now slowly pour in the wax until it meets up with the edge of the drink insulator. Push your candles inside the holder once you've poured all the wax into the glasses and then centre the wicks. Time to clean up. I like to use a heat gun and a paper towel for this. For the best results, I let the candles cure for 2 weeks in their holders and store them in an area where there are no major temperature fluctuations. I've tried many different waxes and wicks and have spent around 3 months getting these candles to function perfectly. These candles are burning for over 45 hours, which I think is pretty decent. I hope this video has saved you time and money and has inspired and guided you along the way to make your perfect soy candle. If you liked this video, consider subscribing to my channel where I post product reviews and how-to videos. Until next time, thanks for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy candle making.